What's the AI project you've been spending the most time on outside of client work right now?
I love this one. Yeah, we've gone deep, Claude, and we've every single delivery person in our company has a Claude Pro account. Some of them even have Claude Max. What we've found is that building out our capabilities with AI is probably one of the most important things to move an agency forward. There's been threats to the way agency does work for a long, long time, but one of the things I've found with this is, it's not going away. It's the invention of the calculator, the invention of the computer, the internet. This is just the next one that's coming along. I think that the project I'm most passionate about at the moment is making data clearer for people and making it a lot more accessible for people to be able to make decisions quicker. So one of the biggest things that we've been doing is we've been bringing our data from our partners into our BigQuery instance. So we have a data warehouse that we actually store the data in a very compliant way. We then layer on top of that AI, so Claude plugs straight into that through a CLI rather than MCP. MCP, you have to load that data in consistently in the background, whereas CLI has it there on an ongoing basis. So the context is the most important part. What we then do is allow them to ask questions of how Meta is performing, how Google's performing, what products are working best. So allowing the people who have a lot of the skill and knowledge to be able to layer that on top of what they're already doing. So that kind of speeds things up a lot more. The reports are done a lot quicker. And then, of course, the decisions are made a lot quicker. That's the biggest benefit of what's happening right now, is improving the speed that we're actually doing things at. We expect an awful lot more from our account managers and people who are pod leads who are working directly with clients. And ultimately, at the end of the day, the clients benefit significantly from this. Seeing better results, better creative coming out there. Our briefing process is working really well. So we're taking it from performance to creative briefing automatically. And that then is actually starting to feed things like Higgsfield and Arc ads to actually develop UGC ads on an ongoing basis and actually speed that UGC creation up an awful lot more. So everything speeds up. I think the old adage of you have to run to keep still or run to stand still, I think is really kind of becoming true. But ultimately, at the end of the day, it's one of those things that I think having an agency doing this rather than having someone in-house will allow you to benefit from that experience across the board, as well as benefiting from your own business as well, the knowledge of your own business as well. AI is not going to take over agencies, but AI is going to be enabling agencies. So Google came out with this thing a while ago. The slogan a while ago, they said AI empowered humans rather than AI replaced humans. That's something that we're doing an awful lot more of, is making sure that our humans and the people that work in our business are AI native, but also AI first. So they're focusing on what we can do with AI and bring that forward and actually apply it to your business and actually be able to bring you to the next level on an ongoing basis, make the right decisions, make the more informed decision, make the right call in terms of what creative brief should be there, include the right thing, do the right checks. So instead of having one person there, you might have one person with 10 agents working with them to be able to deliver the product that you're looking for on an ongoing basis.